Hello and welcome to Keepsales. In this video, we will be looking at how to choose a custom date for a transaction. Now, choosing a custom date for a transaction is mostly useful for missed transactions that might have occurred without the use of Keepsales, and the retailer would still want to have the records on Keepsales to assist with bookkeeping and data analysis here. So basically, we are saying that there are certain transactions that might have happened that you wouldn't have used Keepsales for it. Let's say you sold to a customer and then you didn't use Keepsales, and then you'd want to backdate all those transactions. You are able to do that on Keepsales. So let's demonstrate that. Okay, so let's try and make a sale. We click on new transaction, so we wait for it to load. Okay, so once there on the new transaction page, let's try and make a sale. So let's say the customer wants to buy okay, so the customer wants to buy mineral water. Let's say the customer wants to buy let's choose something. Okay, so for this particular transaction, let's assume that it was done for the customer that bought this. This transaction was done a week ago. So let's say it happened on the 1st of September. Today, when we look at the date, okay, for this video is the 7th of September. So we click on choose another date, which is directly below this the section where you select the product to sell to the customer. Then so then it says we can choose a custom date for transaction. So let's click inside the date and time box. Okay, so when you click inside, a calendar will appear, and then over here we have the time, okay, which is in an hourly interval. Okay, so we said the transaction happened on the 1st of September, so we click on the 1st of September and then the time. Okay, you can set it to whatever time that you think the transaction happened. So when you are done, you click on set custom date, and it says that it has been successfully added. The date has been successfully set to this transaction. Okay, so when we are done, then you can now finalize everything. You can either sell with receipt if the person ever wants a receipt again, or you can sell with no receipt, or you can sell on credit. If that particular purchase was done on credit, you can click on sell on credit. So let's say this was done with no receipt, so we just click on sell with no receipt. So what happens is this transaction is recorded on the 1st of September. So anytime you want to audit your transactions, you want to look at the transactions that happened on the 1st of September, now you are able to view that transaction, okay, by going there. Okay, all right, so this is how to set a custom date to a transaction. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these videos available. Do enjoy yourself and have a good day. Bye.